What are some less obvious habits to learn? Everyone is different. I can't answer that. Some of you have attention deficit disorder. Some of you have a short attention span. Some of you don't want to put in the work to really learn how to drive. Some of you are in a hurry. Some of you won't listen to your teacher, your coach, your parent. So it's different. Stop signs. One of the most obvious things, but many of you will roll a stop sign. Well, there's no one around. You're going to roll the stop sign and fail. That's a perfect habit. It's obvious. Stop. S-T-O-P. Please put in questions. A rolling stop feels like cooperation, yet it steals one of your most important things: scanning the intersection, looking for hidden movement behind a parked car or the hedges. And the full stop gives your eyes time to catch what your brain is missing. Remember, I'm talking to young people who've never driven before. Your mom and dad have habits. If they run a stop sign, it's because they're lazy. You are learning. And if your instructor doesn't clock your T and tell you why, I'm setting you up for failure. If you blow a stop sign with me, you and I are going to have a problem. As you should. Stop means stop. Completely. 3 seconds. But many of you are going to blow stop signs in school. I'm trying to get you to understand about a stop sign. People take this so casual, and that's what all of you will do. Well, my mom runs it, my big brother runs it. Well, if you get a ticket, I won't see you in segment 2 in 3 months. Oh, if you get comfortable running stop signs, one day you will get a ticket. It's just a matter of time. And this tells me you don't respect the law, you don't respect yourself. If you blow a stop sign and a little girl or boy is walking out, trust me, the mothers and dads in the neighborhood will pull you over. They're going to take a picture of your license plate. They're going to send it to the police. They're going to send it to the community watch. You're going to be on Facebook. Hey, you see this kid? Yeah, that's my neighbor. And then all the parents are coming down to your house. Your son just ran the stop sign, almost hit my daughter. Please put in questions on this. Remember, here is the technical part. When you stop, you give your eyes time to catch up with your brain. What did I miss? Did I miss a car? Did I miss a kid? Did I miss something coming out? People get very casual in their neighborhood, blowing stop signs. I'm really trying to make you better. Please put in questions about rolling stop signs. In your school parking lot, that is the perfect example. All of those people have less than 2 years of driving, 3 years of driving. Sophomores don't drive. Juniors and seniors drive. Freshmen don't drive unless there's a emergency situation in the family. Your juniors and seniors don't stop at stop signs. Come on, let's be real. We can go up to the school right now. They don't stop at stop signs. They do rolling stops. Well, I just want to be like everyone else. So let's look at your question. What's the point of a stop sign? So you don't kill someone? Plain and simple. That's the point of a stop sign. Please come with more questions than that. But I'm being humble. A stop sign is there so you don't run over someone. You don't kill someone. The other part of the intersection does not have a stop sign. If you don't stop, you run them over. That's the point of a stop sign. Plain and simple. Go to the end of your school parking lot. You have the main roadway. If you don't stop, you hit a car. You're at fault. Plain and simple. Crossing guard. What do? They put a stop sign in your face. So if you run over the crossing guard, you have 2 tickets. 1, you've injured a crossing guard. 2, you're going to go to court and lose your license. So that's the point of a stop sign. Thank you for telling me. You'll miss out when you go bye-bye. How many crashes have you been in? I have not been in any because I'm a good instructor. I prepare. I'm driving beginning drivers. They get nervous. They get overwhelmed. They get scared. I haven't been any. How long should we stop at a stop sign? 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. If you practice this and have a good habit, you will never get a stop sign ticket.